Guys, today this is what I'm going to do. Cooking my iftar. Yeah, now this is viazi potatoes, Irish potatoes. I'm boiling them right now because I want to make fries. We call them bajia or viazi karai. It depends with where you come from. So here it's my oil. I want to cook tambi, and this is mincemeat, a mixture of mincemeat with hoho, pepper, green pepper, onion, ginger, and what is it? Garlic, sorry, plus beef masala, chili, and what else? Curry powder. Yeah, I'm going to make a meat pie with this. Sometimes we call it chapati kima. So first I'm frying them. First I'm frying them, yeah, till it turns golden brown. When it turns golden brown, sorry guys, it turns golden brown, you leave it at that point. That is the first golden brown. You can see it's golden brown right now. It's golden brown. I normally put hot water. Kiasi, shaking them up. Hot water. After putting hot water, I add with some milk. Kiasi. I add some milk. Then I leave it to boil. I leave it to boil for some time. Boil. Then after that, I put iliki. This is iliki. I put iliki. I like the aroma of the iliki, guys. Then leave it to boil till it dries up. The milk and the whole stuff, the water, it dries up. The milk has dried up, so after this you put some sugar. I like sugar, but today I want to try and limit. You can see sugar. Then you leave it to dry more. Yeah, these are iliki. Don't wanna a paste for my potatoes, the viazi karai stuff. Yeah, I'm making the paste, a mixture of gram flour. This is gram flour plus the wheat flour. I normally like mixing the gram flour and the wheat flour together. I don't like using the gram flour alone, but you can use the gram flour alone plus or you can decide to use the wheat flour, but you'll have to mix it with the food color for that color, the color for bajia or viazi karai. Most people know it as bajia, but me, I know it as viazi karai because I come from coast, guys, so that is it. So then salt, add some salt. pinch of salt, not much, because you know the wheat flour has some salt in it. If you taste it, it's like salty somehow, so don't add more salt. Be keen when it comes to salt. It can really embarrass you. Then after that, add some, like I prefer to add some baking powder. You can see this one, baking powder kiasi. Yeah, it's not a must, but I like using it. And food color kiasi pia kidogo. The egg yellow color kiasi. Mix some water for the paste, cold water, not cold, room temperature. Yeah, putting some water, you mix till you're satisfied with your paste. It should not be thick or thin, just medium size. Now my paste is ready. I just have to chop the potatoes and start frying them. So stay tuned. Getting back right away. My tambi is now ready. Very ready. You can see it's ready. Yeah, it's ready. I told you I want to make chapati keema, remember? So this is my dough. You can see it's very soft. It should be soft as this. It's very soft. Yeah, so I'm going to use this to make my chapati keema, so stay tuned. See, my oil is ready for the bajias. It's not easy serving two masters, holding the camera plus cooking, guys. It's not easy, I tell you. You can see I fry them. We leave them till they become crunchy, not too much crunchy, but somehow crunchy. After that, you cook the other side also. The other side. Be careful. You turn the other side. You make sure it is well. I was telling you about. I'm going to do another roll and put it here. Cover this. Yep. You see, this is a mixture of the mincemeat and the old stuff I told you earlier, plus the egg. Yeah, I pour the egg. I poured the egg on top of this. You can see, right? Yep. So let's wait for the results of the chapati keema. Yep. Now you can see it's ready. You can see it's ready. See my chapati. This is how it is. So I'm going to cut them into like these pieces. Yeah? Finally, tea. Now the food is ready. You can see my tambi, viazi karai, and chapati keema. You can see chapati keema. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and keep tuned. I'll do more of this. I'll upgrade, don't worry. Thank you, bye.